kyakuyambako jako akawuwo.
Let's give a clap for ourselves.
Okusinziira ku Kenneth Oluka ngono essenkulu wa Uganda Printing and Publishing Corporation agamba nti ekkolero lino erya ssente ligenda kuzimbibwa wano mu ggwanga era nga lyakutwala ebbanga lya myaka 2 gyokka nga kiwedde lyakutandika okukola nga liddukanyizibwa kampuni y'obwannannyini.
2 years, then that will mean that after that, of course, there will be prioritization of what comes first. But that factory, it will have the capacity to print money. It will have the capacity to print money, and that is aimed at saving on the foreign exchange that we use for printing money abroad. That is the ultimate aim. Now this partnership has already taken about 4 years, so we are left with about 11 years.
Ono agamba nti ekkolero lino lijja kuba lituukagana butereevu n'omutindo gw'ensi yonna mu by'okwerinda nga n'oluvannyuma lw'emyaka 15 lijja kwasibwa mikono gya gavumenti.
Because the factory that is going to be built is at international standards of security printing, and so after 15 years of partnership, it is planned that those would have recouped their capital investment, and they will go and hand over the USPC factory to UPPC, which will hold it on behalf of the government of Uganda.
Bano bagamba nti ebitundu 4 birina kubanga bikolebwa kitongole kino kyennyini era nga kino bagamba nti kyakutwala eggwanga mu maaso.
I think that directive of the president, office of the president, is going to make sure that all MDAs do adhere to this directive. The president said that 40% budget of printing in all MDAs must be dedicated to UPPC. And I want to assure that the office of the president and the office of the minister, we shall try to see that we inculcate this directive.
Olukera agamba nti kino kyakuyambako eggwanga okukendeeza ku bizibu lyebadde lirina naddala eby'ensimbi okuggibwa ebweru w'eggwanga.
Because we do business with government, we make enough money to survive, but of course we need to make better money so that we can make a contribution to the state coffers, to the national treasury. We have to pay taxes, and so we operate as a business, as a commercial entity, and we know that we've got to survive as a commercial entity. That doesn't get money from the consolidated fund, and that's why we.
Stephen Tumusime yakusakidde eggulire lino ku lwa ABS television.
Appreciate what the president directed the MDAs to do. Now let's do government business. Government has these 2 entities, UPPC and the New Vision, and they are